Before starting the dual pressure washer, check that all high pressure hose connections are tightly connected to the pump, valve, spray gun and roto-clean, making sure there are no kinks in the hoses. Then attach the high pressure hose to the spray gun. Before connecting the garden hose to the water inlet connector, inspect the filter. Connect the hose and turn on the water. Release any pressure from the spray gun by pulling the trigger. Before starting the engine, the valve should be pointing to the roto-clean position to ensure the pressure is constantly being released. Start the engine. Make sure pressure is always being released while the pump is running and is not left in idle for more than 2 minutes. Check the pressure, allowing some time for it to build up. Use the bypass valve to adjust the pressure, making sure it does not exceed 4,000 psi. The valve switches between the rotary engine and spray gun. The rotary cleaner is easily operated and glides over hard surfaces such as concrete, decks and paved areas. Run the dual pressure washer over leveled surfaces. For best results, move it slowly to ensure the area is cleaned thoroughly. The spray gun is used for walls, fences and difficult to reach areas. It is both easy to use and versatile, so you can use it for many different applications. The nozzle is a 1/4 NTP M15 degree size 4 with other sizes available. When finished, move the throttle lever to the minimum position, switch the engine off and turn the fuel valve lever to the off position. Release the pressure from the spray gun, fold and store away.